Hey there! Want to keep your favorite numbers handy on your iPhone? It's super simple to set them up. And I'm here to show you how. So, let's dive in and get your favorite numbers organized. To set up your favorite numbers on your iPhone, follow these easy steps. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Find the number you want to set as a favorite. Tap on the number to open it. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see an option that says Add to Favorites. Tap on Add to Favorites. Now, choose how you want to use this favorite number. For a message, for a call, for a video. Pick the option that suits you best. I'll go with call for this example. Select the number you want to set as a favorite. Voila! The number is now saved as a favorite on your iPhone. So, how do you check or find your favorite contacts with just one click? Here's how. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Look for the star icon labeled Favorites. Tap on this icon to see your list of favorite numbers. You can even add more favorites from here if you like. That's all there is to setting and finding your favorite numbers on your iPhone. If you have got any more questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching!